Setting up automated emails on Shopify is crucial for engaging customers, improving retention, and driving sales. Here's a concise guide. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify admin dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. In the admin, go to Settings and select Notifications. Configure email templates. Customize the email templates for various events such as order confirmation, shipping updates, and order fulfillment. Tailor messages to reflect your brand. Activate automated emails. Turn on automated emails for each event you want to trigger an email. Enable options like order confirmation, shipping confirmation, and order refund. Personalize content. Personalize email content by incorporating customer names, order details, and relevant information. This enhances the customer experience. Create abandoned cart emails. Set up automated emails to recover abandoned carts. Remind customers about items left in their cart and encourage them to complete their purchase. Enable customer account emails. Activate customer account emails to notify users about account creation, password changes, and other account-related activities. Test emails. Before launching, conduct tests to ensure the automated emails appear as intended and contain accurate information. Monitor performance. Regularly review the performance of your automated emails using Shopify Analytics. Adjust strategies based on customer engagement and conversion data.